So, dear students, good morning, everyone. In today's class, we are going to study, we are moving on to the next new chapter, that is roles and functions of a government. So, what does the word means? The role and the functions of a government. So, government has certain role in order to perform it in the public's life, and it has got certain functions, responsibilities in order to carry out, correct? So what do you mean by government? For example, in your home, who are all there in order to safeguard their lives, in order to fulfill their needs? Who is working? Might be your father or mother or head of the family, in order to fulfill all the basic needs of your family and to keep you health wise and educationally wise, financially wise safer. Your father or your mother is going to be work out very well, and they are responsible, and he is the head of the family who runs and takes care of your all the matters related to you. The same way, when you consider one more example, school. In a school, many students will be there. In a particular class, teacher will be handling all the responsible of that particular class, is it? So teacher is going to be fulfill all the needs of the students in particular to education matters. Suppose if anybody violates in the classroom, if anybody mischiefs done by any students does mischief things, or if they are doing any wrong things in the class, what the teacher is going to do? They are going to punish you, or they make strict rules and regulation in order to not to do or not to continue with the same mistake in future, correct? So basically, if the teacher is responsible for the 50 members of the students, then if the number of students is more than 50, is it possible to handle by a single teacher? No, correct. In the same way, when you consider India as a country, our country, in this country, there are more than 50 people, not more than, it is more than, consists of 10 crores, 12 crores people. So, in order to handle all those people, we need what? Government. So, the word government is also, you have been heard in many of the places, like in the public places, the word government you will be reading in the government offices, in the newspapers, in the radio, in the television. So in our day-to-day life, you will be hearing the word the government. So if the one family is led by a head of a person, and if the number of students is more than the actual number, if it is not handled, taken care by a teacher, then how the country is run by an individual. So in order to run and function smoothly any matters of the country, we need a representative, we need a certain representative body, that is government. So students, in today's class we are going to study about meaning of government and its need. So a single person cannot lead the society, or a single person cannot handle whole of the country. So it needs certain representative persons who should take care. So on behalf of the public, they are going to take care of us, and they provide all the basic facilities in order to carry out smooth functioning of the country. So students will see what the actual meaning of government is. You people might be hearing the word government more than 50 times or 10 times in your day-to-day life, correct? So what is this government means? A government is a group of people who are responsible for managing and the policies, actions and the affairs of a country or a state. So this government is nothing but a group of people who are elected by the people of a country. So they represent our place. That is, instead of all the people of the country can lead the country, this is possible? No. So we have formed a government. So this government is formed by through election. So these people, what they do, they frame a government and they make the policies which are helpful for the people in order to improve their life better. Then they also take certain actions against the violations or the rules and regulations who is going to break the law and order. Suppose if any person who breaks law and order, whatever the actions or the rules have been framed by this government will be implemented against those person, and they will be punished. And also the affairs of the country, whatever the matters related to a particular country or state is being there, this will be carried out, this will be taken care by this government or the group of people. Each will have their own representative in each department, and this government will act as a behalf of the citizens of a country in order to improve the welfare of the citizens, and they perform various functions of the country or a particular state. So government is nothing but a group of people who is responsible for managing the policies, actions which are framed by the government, and also the affairs which are carrying out by a particular state or particular country. Okay, so next we'll be seeing the what are all the functions this government is going to perform in detail. So dear students, so far we studied the actual meaning of government. So what do you mean by government? A government is a group of people who are responsible for managing the country's policies, actions, which rules and regulations which they have formed, and all the matters related to the country or state is carried by them on behalf of the citizens of the country, and they have certain responsibilities to perform as a government. So what are the need, why is there need to perform, and why it is there, what is the need of the government, and what are the facilities or the functions they are going to have as a responsibility of a government. So in order to see that, as a government,